Hello, welcome to SuperMap License Introduction and Configuration. I'm going to introduce the license of SuperMap products and demonstrate how to configure the license. As you can see, there are so many SuperMap GIS software products, and we can divide them into four parts. Part 1. The products running on the PC, including desktop GIS platforms and these SDKs to develop them. Part 2. Cloud GIS platforms, including the four products that can be used to build GIS cloud systems or GIS server systems. Part 3. Web Mobile SDK and Native Mobile SDK, which can help you quickly build your mobile GIS application. Part 4. Web GIS development platforms, which can be used to build cross-browser map applications or 3D GIS applications. And no matter what kind of product you use, to configure the license is a precondition for running the software. And except mobile SDKs, all the other products share the same license. For example, if you have configured the license when you install SuperMap iDesktop, then you can use SuperMap iServer directly. No need to configure the license again. As to the license, it can be divided into the official license and the trial license, according to whether the map window or published map services have watermarks. There won't be any watermarks if you have configured the official license. Otherwise, you will see these SuperMap watermarks just like this and this. And you can get the official license by purchasing our products. And if you are just interested in our products, a 90-day free trial license will be your best choice. Then, how to configure different types of licenses? Let's configure the official license first. There are three types of official license: the hardware license, the file license, and the cloud license. Hardware license is also called hardware key, which includes two types: standalone key and network key. The standalone key is green, while the network key is red, and they look just like U-disks. You can insert a hardware key into the computer's USB interface. Then it will be effective when its signal light is on. And file license also has two types: standalone file license and network file license. If you activate the standalone file license, it can provide services for the local computer. If you activate the network file license, it can provide services for all computers within the network. And if you purchased the cloud license, the license information will be assigned to your SuperMap online account. Then you can get the license permission by logging in your SuperMap online account when running the software. The standalone key has only one certificate. That is, when I insert it on my computer which installed the license driver, I can use the SuperMap products normally. But if I insert it into another computer, all the products on my computer will lose permission at once. Otherwise, if there are two types of licenses on my computer, it will give priority to use the standalone key. As to the network key, it can be installed on any computer within the network, and the computer with it is called the license server, which can provide multiple certificates to the clients that are within the same network. And these clients also need to install the licensed drivers to get the permission. Here we have a new question. What is a licensed driver? As to the licensed driver, it's a program that can recognize and check the license information. If we use the hardware license or the file license, we need to install the license driver to read the corresponding license information. And we can get a license driver by the following three methods. First, we can find a licensed driver, that is the SuperMap trial license application, under the installation directory of any SuperMap software. Of course, mobile products accepted. For example, the left one is under the Tools folder of iDesktop and the right one is under the Support folder of iServer. Second, it will be automatically installed when we install the product of iDesktop or iObjects. As we can see, it is under the folder of SuperMap License Center. So actually, it is the SuperMap License Center that installed the license driver. So we can also get license driver by downloading the zip package of SuperMap License Center from the website of SuperMap Technology Resource Center. Then, how can we check whether a licensed driver has been installed? First, we can open the Windows Services page to see if there is a service named Sentinel LDK License Manager. Also, we can point our browser to localhost 9047 to browse the configuration page of license driver. Okay, let's return to the official license. The second type is file license, and we mentioned before that it also has two types, standalone file license and network file license. The process to get and configure them are the same, and we can divide the process into four steps. First, we can use SuperMap License Center to generate the file license information. Just click the button on the home page and select the path to save the generated C2V file. Second, send this file by email to our global support team. Then you can get a new file license in the V2C format. Import this file into the Update page of License Center and click the Update button to activate it. I think it is necessary to introduce the License Center. SuperMap License Center is a tool that we use to configure license, manage license, and view the license status and usage. For example, we can view the status and usage of each license on this page, and if there is expired license, we can clear it and update a new one as we said before. Besides, we can generate operation reports, restart license server, borrow and return license, etc. And the way to get a license center is the same as to get a license driver. It can be found under the installation directory of any SuperMap software. Okay, and it will be automatically installed when we install the product of iDesktop or iObjects, and we can download its zip package from the website of SuperMap Technology Resource Center. Then let's see the trial license. A trial license is a license that has a limited term or has limited capability, and it can help us familiarize and learn SuperMap products. There are two types of trial licenses: file trial license and cloud trial license. We usually say that all the SuperMap products provide a 90-day trial license by default. Actually, that is to say, after installing a SuperMap software into our computer for the first time, we get a file trial license so that we can use it for free for 90 days. After 90 days, we can send an email to our global support team to renew our license. As to the cloud trial license, it's a new type, and all SuperMap online accounts have the right to apply for it. And if we have no file trial license but access to the internet, we can run any SuperMap software and log in our SuperMap online account to get a cloud trial license. And we can use it all the time as long as the network can be used. Okay, that's all my presentation about SuperMap license introduction and configuration. For more information, please turn to the help document or contact us. Thank you.